I'm Walkster1970 and today I'm going to be unboxing and testing this battery analyzer by Kingbolen. Got this off of Amazon. Let's take a look at it. Okay, this is the battery analyzer by Kingbolen. Part number BM580. Like I said, I got this off of Amazon. It's got a 2.4 inch TFT color screen, over voltage input protection, and reversible access. Well, I'm not sure what that means, if you can reverse polarity. So, product features: battery, SOC, SOH test, charging test, startup test, load test, battery waveform, live display, built-in multimeter, multi-language support, and that is the number for it on Amazon, I do believe, the X002VU65QB. So let's open this up. Looks like we got some instructions, the user manual. This is a professional battery diagnostic device. Take it out of this little sleeve. Didn't come with a protector now. It's got a protector over the screen. And it looks like, does this disconnect? Nope, that doesn't disconnect. It's got some decent size alligator clips on it. And here's the device. Let me take a look in the manual. Okay, let's look this thing up and see if we can get it to test the battery. This is a battery that I pulled out of the Nissan Altima. I did have it on charge. I am not sure if it's still got a charge or not. It's been sitting out here for a little bit. I'm going to hook up the positive and then hook up the negative. See if it turns on. Okay, it's on. 6 volt, 12 volt. We want 12 volt. Out of vehicle. Regular flooded. Battery type. Cold cranking amps. Okay, this is a 600 cold cranking amp. Okay. Saying this has got a 78% charge. Cold cranking amp of 531, so that's not bad. It says it needs a charge. Set up. Language self-test, beep. Let's turn the beep off. There we go. That's better. Multimeter. Showing that the battery's okay. Okay, let's go over to the 2007 V-Star and check the battery on that. Here we are on the 2007 V-Star 1300. I have no idea how many cold cranking amps this battery is. So we're going to do a check. 12 volts in vehicle. Battery test. Regular flooded. I don't know what the cold cranking amps is. Let's just say it's 600. It's not 600. Saying it's putting out 143 cold cranking amps. Let's go back and try startup test. Engine is off. Start engine. Okay. was saying that the starting ability is low. The voltage was 8.11 volts. So that's interesting. Let's do a charging test. Start the engine. Keep around 2500. Okay, that came out pretty good. So I'll have to check this or test this on a couple other different vehicles, but it gives you a rough idea of what it does. Okay, this is the 2003 Toyota Matrix. Now I'm going to test the battery, do a check. Now this is a 12 volt in vehicle. Now I'm going to do a quick test. I have no idea what this is. So it's saying that this is at 100% capacity from what I understand. Normal. Let's do a charging test. Start the engine, keep to 2500. It should be easy because this will automatically go up that high, and press the OK button. Okay, I'll be right back. Looks like it's normal. So that's good. Here we are with 2015 Toyota RAV4. Going to connect the tester to this battery. And this one says it has a cold cranking amp of 575. So let's get a 12 volt in vehicle battery test. Regular flooded, cold cranking amps. See if this thing whooped to 575. Yep, 575. See what it says. Retest after charge showing that it has 47% of its life left. Oh, cold cranking amp at 393. Yeah, it's definitely low. This one's gonna need replaced before too long. Okay, one more. We're here with the 2001 Ford F-150. This has a battery with cold cranking amps of 750. So let's go through. Select 12 volts in vehicle. Battery test. Yes, it is off. Regular flooded. Cold cranking amps. 750. See what it says. Well, it says it only has 7% of its life left. Cold cranking amp of 195. And the voltage is 11.4. Well, then this shouldn't really start. Let's try it. Let's do a charging test. Doing it idle. Doing it as normal. Let's look at the multimeter and see what it says. Charging system is in the OK. Well, it looks like the battery is about shot in this one also. It sits quite a bit. I'll let it run for a little while, warm up. That should do it. I'll do it for testing the Kingbolen battery tester. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.